Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Exercise 2.3. Question number 14. Let's take y equals to square root of 1 plus x minus square root of 1 minus x by square root of 1 plus x plus square root of 1 minus x. And I have decided here to rationalize the denominator. So I am going to multiply and divide by square root of 1 plus x minus square root of 1 minus x. Here it is. When I perform this multiplication, I am going to get square root of 1 plus x minus square root of 1 minus x whole square in the numerator, and in the denominator I will get square of this expression minus square of this expression. Here you can see it. Now I open up this square by using the formula a minus b whole square, and here this square and square root got cancelled and I am left only with 1 plus x minus into 1 minus x. In the numerator, let's see what do I have. Square root of 1 plus x whole square, which becomes 1 plus x, plus square root of 1 minus x whole square, which becomes 1 minus x, and minus 2 into square root of 1 plus x square root of 1 minus x. Now I will open up these brackets and I will combine these two expressions, these two in under one radical sign, and I will open up these brackets. Let's see what will I have. I will have 1 plus x plus 1 minus x minus 2 into square root of 1 plus x into 1 minus x. In the numerator I will have 1 plus x minus 1 plus x. Here it is. Now I see this x and x got cancelled. I will get 2 minus 2 into this here, and it will be written in the shape of 1 minus x square. In the denominator 1 and 1 got cancelled and I have got a 2x. Now I see I can take a 2 common and then see, and then let's see, I take this 2 common and this 2 can be cancelled. So the given expression in the simplified form is 1 minus square root of 1 minus x square divided by x. Now we will differentiate both sides with respect to x by using the quotient rule. This is the denominator, so I see denominator square, denominator constant, derivative of the numerator minus numerator constant, derivative of the denominator. Now the derivative of x will be 1 and the derivative of 1 will be 0 minus derivative of square root will be 1 by 2 square root into d by dx of 1 minus x square. Let's see. So derivative of 1, let's see what do I have. X, derivative of 1 is 0 minus 1 by 2 square root of 1 minus x square into d by dx of 1 minus x square, and then minus into 1 minus x square as it is into d by dx of x, which is 1. And what I will get here, derivative of 1 will be 0 and derivative of x square will be minus 2x. This is what I'm going to get in the next step, and x square will remain the same. So I see x into minus 1 by 2 into under 1 minus x square, derivative of 1 is 0, or derivative of x square is minus 2x minus this. And now what will I write? I will write this minus and minus will give me plus. Oh, okay, I will write minus 2x here simply. So now this minus and minus cancelled, this 2 and 2 got cancelled, this x and x got multiplied, and I get x square by square root of 1 minus x square. Okay, what happened here? Minus minus cancelled, 2 cancelled, x and x multiplied, and I have x square, and the denominator is 1 minus x square. Now this minus 1 and then minus minus plus. Now let's take LCM, and I will have x square as it is. 1 minus square root of 1 minus x square will be multiplied with this 1, and square root of 1 minus x square will be multiplied with this. As a result, its square root will cancel, and I am going to get this x square minus square root of 1 minus x square, you can see it here, plus square root of 1 minus x square into square root of 1 minus x square, which becomes square root of 1 minus x square whole square. As a result, square root got cancelled, and in that this also comes to the denominator, so x square into square root of 1 minus x square. This x square got cancelled and I am left with minus square root of 1 minus x square plus 1. We write it as 1 minus square root of 1 minus x square because we don't like to start the expressions with the negative sign, and this is our answer. 1 minus square root of 1 minus x square divided by x square into square root of 1 minus x square. Let's get to question number 15. X into square root of a plus x by a minus 6. Let's take it equal to y. We are going to adjust its shape. First of all, I am going to bring this x under this radical sign. So when it comes inside it, it will become x square, and of course I will use a bracket here. Here it is. And now I'm going to multiply this x square with this a and with this x. Also, I'm going to combine the whole expression under one square root sign. So you can see it is here. A x square plus x cube divided by a minus 1 all under one radical sign. And now we are going to differentiate both sides with respect to x. So when I differentiate both sides with respect to x, I get dy by dx, and here I get derivative of square root is equal to 1 by 2 square root into d by dx of whatever inside it. So you get 1 by 2 square root of ax square plus x cube by a minus x into d by dx of this, and we are going to differentiate by quotient rule. Meanwhile, we are going to write the square root of a minus x above here. You can see square root of a minus x, it comes here. This 2 remains there. This square root of ax square plus x cube remains there. And we are going to apply quotient rule. This is the denominator. This is the numerator. What is the quotient rule? Denominator square, denominator constant, derivative of numerator minus numerator constant, derivative of denominator. So what will be the derivative of this? A is constant, derivative of x square is 2x, so it will become 2ax. Derivative of x cube, 3x square, just by the application of our formula. Derivative of a will be 0 and derivative of x will be minus 1. And this all remains the same. This square root of a minus x, we can bring it over here just by writing a minus x to power 2 minus 1 by 2. Let's see, 1 by 2 under root ax square plus x cube into a minus x. I have not taken the derivatives yet, and I have just brought a minus x to square root of a minus x to the denominator. Let's see, now I am taking the derivatives. Derivative of ax square is 2ax plus derivative of x cube is 3x square. Derivative of a is 0 and derivative of x is minus 1. So I have written it simply as minus 1. Now we open up all the brackets, and what happens to this? This is just written here with this one. Now open up all the brackets, it becomes 2a square x minus 2ax square plus 3ax square and minus 3x cube, then minus plus ax square plus x cube. And now we are going to do some simplifications here. What do we see? We get 2a square x minus 2ax square and plus 3ax square and plus ax square. Collectively, they give us 2ax square, and minus 3x cube plus x cube gives us minus 2x cube. Now, in the denominator, what do I do in the denominator? I take this x square common. So it becomes x square into a plus x, and then I am going to bring this x square outside the radical sign, and when it comes outside x, the radicals outside the square root sign, it becomes x. So you can see it here. Now take 2 common from the numerator and 2 common, and in the next step cancel this 2 and take 2x common from the numerator in fact. So 2x is common. I am left with a square plus ax minus x square, and then this 2x got cancelled with the 2x in the denominator, and I am left with this a square plus ax minus x square divided by square root of a plus x into a minus x to power 3 by 2, which is the required answer.